Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3. So far we have just blocked out, well, the first part was we inset our canvas and then we've just sort of blocked out the overall shape of our Game Boy. So now we're going to start adding in a few more little details. So we will start with the front. I am going to keep jumping back to uh, Google just to sort of like have a look at references as well. So let's start with the screen. So let's create a sketch for a rectangle. And then I'll turn snap off because that's a little bit annoying. Then come down. Here, if you find your sketch is snapping, there is literally a tick box there, so you can untick that at any point. A lot of the time it is helpful, but sometimes it's trying to snap onto stuff you don't want it to. Working our way around, just filleting just to match the reference. And then this corner is quite a bit more. Okay, so now hit E on our keyboard, and let's just bring that down. We don't know how far that really is. Or in fact, let's not extrude, let's escape that. Let's finish, and then let's go to create and pipe. And we want to bring that down way more. 2, 1. Maybe a bit more. Let's have a look at feature. 0.5. 0.5. There we go. I like that. Okay. And then let's have a look. A few little easy details to do. Again, sketch. Circle. This time we will extrude. Let's just bring that down a little bit. And then let's do the inner detail. So let's go on sketch. For rectangle again. And drag it across. Again, let's just fill it, and this time they're all pretty similar, so let's do them all at the same time. And dial it back quite a bit. Enter. E. And then let's just drag it in, just like let's do it like that, because then what we'll do, in fact, let's do it now. Let's hit A on our keyboard for appearance, and let's just take plastic, and let's take like we want like a grey. Let's drag that on there. Let's just see how it looks. Turn my canvas off. We can change this later as well, just so I can start to get some multiple materials in, and then what we're going to do is sketch and project. Do that. And the reason why I'm doing that is I'm going to bring this down a little bit. I'm going to do new body. Okay, and then appearance, and I want transparent acrylic. So we've got like our little screen. In fact, let's just see. Can I do? I don't want. What if I mess with that? Drag that one. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. And then while we're at it, let's duplicate this. Then let's make this quite a bit darker. And then our two faces. Again, we can tweak these later as we go through. Okay. Let's just close that for now. But just so we can extend that a bit. Right, let's have a look at some more details. So what we do have, if you have, it's hard to see on this image, but if you look at this one, yeah, there's like little like indents where these buttons are. So let's start doing this one first. So if we do circle, get close to the middle as we think we can do, and double click, Control C, Control V, bring that up here so we know they are the same. Okay, and then let's offset. Very good. Yeah, 2 seems good. Let's offset by 2 again. And then what we'll do is go line, and I'm going to hold shift so it goes tangent. Oh, no, I'm not. Let's do that. Let's do line, line. Okay, now let's just make sure we are where we want to be. So line, tangent, that one. And you know it's tangent when it's got those little symbols on there. Okay, so now let's just trim away those little bits. So the whole point of doing that really was so that what we can do is just bring that down just a little bit. Again, looking back to our reference, let's just fill it that so it looks quite soft. Okay, let's just that. Let's not do it that one. Let's do it like that. There you go. That's better. And then with our buttons, I think we want to bring them up quite a bit more. And then let's fill it those round. And then we do want to make it look like they're coming out a little bit. So let's do pipe. Let's do quite a small pipe. Let's do like 0.4. How does that look? Maybe we do a little bit more. All we're trying to do is make it kind of look like it's not just sitting flush, like it's coming down a little bit. 0.6, 0.7. Yeah, that probably looks a bit better. Okay, let's go to it again. Create pipe. And we did 0.7. Hit enter. Okay. So A and B buttons done. Let's have a look at doing these ones. That's quite an easy one. So we will go to slot and center to center slot. Again, let's double click, Control C, Control V, bring into position. Okay. Just go back to reference. I don't think Okay, they do have a little bit of a offset around it, so let's put 5. No, 0.8. Oh, 0.8. That's probably a bit better. Same on this one. 0.8. And then let's E for extrude. Bring those down a little bit. And same as before, let's fill it. Just because it should be a smooth transition, not a sharp one. Then let's bring these out a little bit more. Let's bring them out that far. And then let's fill it. And then bring them like that. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll just finish off the D-pad, and then maybe we'll do the little air vent, and then we'll stop there, because how long are we going for? What are we on? We're on about 11 minutes. Okay, so that's not bad. Okay, now, again, let's go to sketch. We definitely do have length. Yes, we do. So let's go to middle, to about there. E for extrude. Bring that down. Oh, I pressed the wrong thing. There we go. Fill it and fill it, and just dial that back a bit. Okay, there we go, and then do another sketch. And let's do rectangles. Let's do corner to corner, corner, corner. Okay, and then let's get rid of these details. So what we want to do is, let's make sure that that's equal. Okay. We're going to get rid of all of these constraints that are automatically on there. And we're going to constrain it ourselves just to be completely sure it's right. So let's make that equal. There we go. So now we know they're all equal. Let's make sure these are all equal. And then we already know they are. Oh no, we do not want to do that. This has moved in a little bit, which we don't want. Okay, so let's make that equal. There we go. All we do is just try to tidy this all up. So once we've got the sketch right, and then let's make you new equal. I think everywhere else is looking fine. Okay, let's make you, no. Okay, there we go. Right, let's just have a look. Okay, So realistically, what we probably want to do is let's go to rectangle again and let's just do there. Then let's bring these up. We're going to bring it up about that sort of height. And then let's try chamfer. No, okay, let's try. No. Yeah, there's new bodies. Let's go to modify draft. Okay. That's the right way, but let's go up to sketch. Okay, and that is why that is not matching up. So let's grab. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think what I'm going to have to do each one individually. Body, new body, body, new body. Okay, now let's try and do that. Draft. I think I want to do the other side. Oh no, maybe not. Seems to have worked quite well. 15 looks pretty good. Let's do that. If I draft. Let's work our way around. Draft. Okay. Then let's bring this. Again, let's go and check. Yeah, I reckon. Let's do new body first. Turn that sketch off. Let's do a circle in the middle. Let's come down. We then need to do some little grippy slots. So let's do slot, center, center. Same again. Let's just make sure that tell you what, let's dimensions. There you go. There we go. So we know those are right now. And then we're having that. Okay. So then let's do the same here. Let's do that. You're going to need to. No, hold on. Right, I'm just going to take a picture of those measurements on my phone just so I can remember them, because otherwise I will forget. Okay. Right, so then, tell you what, let's bring those in a little bit. Do like -2. Oh, no. Minus 0.2. That's better. Oh, wait, are they outy or inny? They're outy, so other way. So let's do 0.2. There we go. So now let's do the same on these ones. So we are going to create a slot center to center. And let's dimension. So we said, I can get it on my phone so I can remember. 1 second. So that is 5.084. And then radius here we had as 0.417. And then from the top, it should be 0.77. Oh. Oh, it's because it's got that on there, which we don't want. Okay, there we go. There we go. We do want that to be in the center though, so let's find the center. We want to make sure that is horizontal and vertical. That's better. And then we want to Control C, Control V. Bring that over. Then let's just dimension from there to there. We said it wanted to be how far? Oh, pretty close. So I want it to be 2. And done. Okay, and then hit E. Right. Finish. Switch. I'm gonna hit E on my keyboard. No, I'm not. There we go. Let's do 2. Nope. 0.2. Okay, and then we'll just do the same on these two. In fact, because that's taken quite a long time, let's see if we can do this. Let's go to pattern, Save the button. Can we do features? Can I do that? Can I do for and then let's delete that. Let's have a look. Oh, that is much faster. Okay, so now all we'll do is let's just fill it these edges so they don't look quite as harsh. And then we'll wrap this one up because I'm aware it's going on for a little bit. What I'm trying to do is keep the videos 15, like 20 bits max. Because when I did the long videos, it's a little bit harder to keep track of where you're up to. Is that all of them? Nope. I think that's now all of them. Okay. In fact, let's try and add this in as well. Okay. And then I think we are done. Let's turn our canvas off. In terms of getting our button details, I think we'll call that finished. Let's just have a look. Okay, so let's go to A. Let's take our material we were using. I'm going to remove this because we weren't using it. Let's duplicate. Let's make that black. And let's add that too. Just check how it's looking. Maybe it's a little bit too dark, but we'll go back and change that later. But it's just good to have an idea. And then we want a darker grey again, so I reckon we'll probably take this. Let's do faces. To do around the bottom a bit as well. And then we want like a purpley sort of colour, don't we? Yeah, so let's duplicate again. We want something over here. Like a, maybe? Again, we will edit as needed later, but it's just good to have those different colours now so we can sort of see what's going on. That doesn't, maybe a bit too dark. We go a bit lighter. Well, that looks quite good. In fact, I do want to adjust up a bit. Okay, so let's see where we're at. So we have made some really good progress. That's starting to come along quite nicely. So we'll stop that there. Obviously, we've got a few more details to do on the front. What we'll do, so do like the vents. We'll start getting like the attachments, like how the casing's actually connected, and then we'll start doing like bits at the back as well. But really good progress. We'll stop there, and I'll see you in